Hi everybody, it's me once again. Today, guess where I am? I'm at the Dead Sea. Wow, look at that, the Dead Sea. It's the lowest point on earth. There's nowhere lower on earth than at the Dead Sea. And there's a couple of points I want to just get from the Dead Sea. There's so many interesting facts about it, but it's so salty. The salt content in the Dead Sea is so high that there's nothing can survive, nothing can live. But the other thing that's important is the minerals. They mine the minerals from this. There's a big exporter of magnesium and so on, and potassium and magnesium all over the world. There's big factories here because of all the minerals in the salt that they supply all over the world. So at the same time, I'm also thinking of this fact. One day I met with a guy working at a salt works, and he was telling me, and I was a bit stupid, please forgive me, because I didn't know the importance of salt to even South Africa, and how important salt. Without salt we cannot survive, because salt is being used not just as table salt for food, but it's also used for every single thing in the medical industry, in the food industry, in the dyes, in the leathers, and every single thing uses salt. So we can't survive without salt. Salt is a preserver of life. Salt is so important to us. So I want you to remind you today that God, when I look at the salt, I see why God is saying that we are the salt of the earth. We are important. We important to the world. You are important, and because you have Jesus Christ into your life, you are the salt of the earth. You can help somebody else that needs it really.